Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to get red name in Stumble Guys. So without further ado, let's find out. So you might have seen big YouTubers having a red name in the Stumble Guys character. So I will show you how you can do that. So click on this icon here on the top left corner. So this here. And now click on this pencil icon here. And as you can see, my name is appearing as red. So I will show you how I have done that. So you need to simply copy this code here. Put the text here. Color equals to red. And we'll just change the color to red. But let me warn you here that many YouTubers show this trick, but I don't really know if it works here. It might show here red, but I don't know when it's saved. So let's click on, yeah, it's showing the error. So what you need to know is you need to be a partner of Stumble Guys in order to have that. So those big YouTubers have already a partnership with them, and I don't want to fool you with this, but you can't actually change your color red because you are not partnered with Stumble Guys. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.